is Devin Smith, CEO of Southern Elite Contracting. I wanted to go over a few different type of projects that you can actually do right now during this COVID-19 virus inside of your home, to where actually you can be more involved with this and actually show us what you want done as far as your kitchen remodel or as far as your bathroom remodel. And we've got great finance options with this 6-month, 12-month, 36-month even, to help you out, during this, because I know a lot of people aren't working right now, and we also want to keep our distance, but at the same time we want you to make sure this is a project that you can get completed with Southern Elite Contracting. So if you're looking for a contractor in your area, give us a call at 770-789-3789. We'd love to be your one-stop contractor.